Your phone's battery drains faster than it should, and it's not because of the apps you use. There are hidden features running in the background that you don't need, don't use, and probably don't even know exist. They slow down your phone and force you to charge it twice as often. But turning them off takes just seconds, and it can make your phone faster and your battery last longer. Let's fix it right now. Open up the settings on your phone, then scroll down. Find the Google app, then tap on it. Next, tap All Services. Scroll down a little bit, tap Devices. Toggle off the scan for nearby devices. Then go back to Main Settings page. Then tap on Connection. Then scroll down, tap More Connection Settings. Next, turn it off. Next feature you should turn off, Print Service. To do that, go to Settings page again, tap Connection. Then scroll down, tap More Connection Settings. Now tap Printing, and now toggle off the default print service. Next service is Disallow Data Usage Access. Go to Settings again, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Then tap on three dots from the right corner. Tap Settings, scroll down a little bit, tap Usage Data Access. Then tap Settings. And now simply toggle off this option to disallow permissions. Next feature is App Notification. Open up the Settings app again. Scroll down, then tap Notification. Next, tap App Notifications. Now find the unnecessary apps and toggle off the notification, because this setting drains your battery in the background. Now, the last but not the least, enable battery protection. This setting is very important for Android users. Go to Settings, tap Battery, then tap on Battery Protection. Make sure to turn this on, then choose Basic from here. And these are the battery life-saving tips. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.